"Shoot me up with a big one." That is what Matthew's former live-in assistant, Kenneth Iwamasa, told the court in a signed plea agreement claiming Perry instructed him to allegedly administer the last dose of ketamine that ended with the star's death. In his statement, Kenneth says he gave Matthew his first ketamine shot of the day at his Pacific Palisades home at around 8:30 a.m. 4 hours later, while Perry watched a movie, Kenneth claims he gave his boss another injection. According to Kenneth, roughly 40 minutes later, Perry asked him for a third shot and to prepare his hot tub. Kenneth, who according to authorities is not medically qualified, told the court he filled a syringe with ketamine, then administered the shot before leaving the house to run errands. When he returned, he found Perry face down in the water, dead.
To have a witness who can explain the chain of distribution. How did ketamine get from point A to Matthew Perry? And Iwamasa was in a prime position to do just that.
Trial attorney Misty Marris, who is not affiliated to the case, feels Kenneth's plea statement speaks volumes about a strategy to save his own skin.
Pleading guilty and cooperating, he could testify against the others ultimately in court. He will only face a sentence of 15 to 25 years.
But Marris says legally he's not out of the woods if California authorities may decide to go beyond the federal charges.
The state could bring that could actually relate to manslaughter. Not only does Iwamasa give Matthew Perry 3 ketamine shots within this 6-hour span, he also prepares the hot tub. He also leaves the home. He leaves Matthew Perry alone. The standard in California for a manslaughter charge is reckless disregard for a known risk. So there is the strong possibility that we could see state-level charges coming around the bend, not only to Iwamasa, but to the other doctors involved as well.
All the revelations come on the heels of the arrest of 2 defendants accused of conspiracy to distribute the drug, the so-called Ketamine Queen, Jasveen Sanya, and Dr. P, real name Dr. Salvador Placencia, both pleading not guilty.
Over 2 months, they distributed approximately 20 vials of ketamine to Mr. Perry in exchange for $55,000 in cash.
The focus of the federal investigators and prosecutors is to break up these large-scale drug rings. So you go for individuals, score those plea deals with those who have knowledge of the operation.
Well, Sanya faces possible life in prison, while Dr. Placencia could be sentenced to 120 years. His next court date is August